I'm Eric Cox. I'm the head lead architect at Plain White T-Shirt Marketing. Today, in this video, what I'd like to do is walk you through the process that we take our clients through in order to help them achieve more traffic, more leads, more customers, and ultimately more profit in their business using conversion funnels. I'll also let you know that completely upfront, this is not a $199 a month solution, but it's a heck of a lot less than even hiring an inexperienced person right out of school to market your business that you built with trial and error methods, while also paying for all the programs and resources you even need to begin to get started. Okay, so I'm going to talk you through this entire process so that you can see how your business can get more business as fast as possible. It doesn't matter whether you're making 5 figures a month and you want to scale to 6 figures, whether you're making 6 figures right now and you want to scale to 7 figures. I'm going to show you exactly how we help our clients achieve that, okay? So it starts off with the discovery call. We always want to get our clients on the phone or meet with them to know exactly where they are and their business and where they want to go. Really, ultimately, we want to pinpoint issues, and if we know how, we can help them achieve their goals, right? So what happens after that is my team and I step back and we actually map out an entire funnel and strategy forecast that cover exactly how we can help our clients achieve our goals. So do they want to scale to that 6 or 7 figure a month mark? We want to figure out exactly what they need to do to make that happen. So when we create our forecasts, we look at how much traffic you actually need on a monthly basis so you can leverage the organic traffic better in order to get that uplift in sales and ultimately a higher customer value. The very first thing we want to do once we agree to get started is figure out what we're building and start gathering the data, gathering interviews and market analysis processes. We need to understand your business as much as you do. We want to become experts in your particular business so that we can help you take that business to the next level. So we work with you to pinpoint exactly what your dream client is, where they hang out on the internet, and how can your offer be positioned for that particular dream client, and how can we position it that it really does help the dream client and ultimately get them where they want to go. We also look for quick win opportunities during this process. I'll give you one example of one of our clients, Rusty. He was doing pretty well generating leads from his organic traffic, but as we were analyzing his website and we were analyzing all the elements, we put a few tweaks together that we thought we could make to really scale his lead generation. So we made those tweaks during the process and it literally tripled his leads overnight on a daily basis. He was generating 3 times more lead just from some simple tweaks, and we hadn't even started building the funnel. So during this process, we look at your market and look at your competitors. Now, there's a lot of stuff that you can learn from your competitors. First and foremost, how to better uniquely position your offers and your brand in the marketplace. But at the same time, most of our competitors have done some really cool stuff that we can learn from and model and see what we can use to really get that uplift in conversions across the funnel. So throughout this process, we come up with a conversion blueprint funnel and playbook. Now, this blueprint is our ultimate document to lay out our entire plan for creating your funnel. Hey, like I always say, just like an architect would never ever build a bridge or building without having a plan, we never ever build funnels without having our plan. And our plan is a conversion funnel blueprint and playbook. It highlights everything that we've gathered with our data, our market analysis. It talks about who and why and where you want to go. It really lays out the narrative across the funnel. It highlights every single piece of the funnel in very, very thorough detail in one core document. Once we have the funnel, once we have all our elements, once we know all the timelines and tasks that we have to do, it's time to move on to the build, right? It's time to build every piece of that funnel. And here's the beautiful thing. You don't have to worry about having your Facebook ad agency over here, a website specialist somewhere, your copyrighted team over there, and your designer over here. We build a squad of in-house team members specifically to go and create these conversion funnels for your company. We have a copywriter in-house. We have designers. We have an analytics expert, a Facebook traffic expert, an outbound email experts. We have all of these people on deck for you so that when we create these conversion funnels, when we build them, they become seamless. Everything works together and we can make it happen very, very quickly. So our team comes in, builds the entire funnel for you. It's a ton of work and there's a lot of moving pieces. We handle all the copy, all the design, all the technical implementation, and we work with all the most popular tools out there. And in terms of copy, we do all your sales pages, your emails, your lead generation copy, your lead magnets, and all that stuff. We set up all the tracking in place to make sure that every single piece of the puzzle is being tracked so that we can see if there are any breakpoints and where the breakpoints are in order to optimize them when it comes to design. We love high converting, clean looking designs. Everything that we do is based on convergence. All our designs are very conversion centric, okay? During this process, what you end up with is a fully tested, fully automated system to turn traffic into actual customers that pull traffic through and get people to take out their credit cards and actually pay you for your products and services. That takes care of the build. Once the system is built and all tested, it's time for the big day, the launch. The launch is where we really put your funnel out there and start testing it. We start seeing what's happening through every piece of the puzzle. We set up all the ads or content depending on where your dream client hangs out, whether that's Facebook or Google or Pinterest or LinkedIn or Twitter. So we set up all the content and ads and we test a whole bunch of content for different audiences and campaigns to figure out specifically where golden opportunities present themselves. We want to find that pool of buyers, right? We want to find that pool of your prospect who's ready to pull out their credit card and pay you for your product and services. And throughout the launch is where we establish our baseline numbers. This takes us to the optimization stage. Now, throughout this stage is where we do a lot of testing throughout every single piece of the funnel. At the end of the day, we're a data-driven agency. We really don't care about opinions. At the end of the day, the numbers tell us what's working and what's not, and we make our decisions based on those numbers. We split test. We try out a whole bunch of different things in order to really take our conversions from where they are at the baseline up to here, because our ultimate goal is this right here. Our return on investment when it comes to advertising spend, right? We want to make sure that for every dollar we spend on advertising, you're making a profit. That's the name of the game, right? So our goal is always to hit our ROI numbers with a predictable and reliable system. And then once we get there, that's when we scale. That's when we go as high as you want, as fast as you want. We take your advertising and start split testing and do more conversion rate optimization strategies in order to get the uplifts on your sales pages, landing pages, your application pages, or whatever it may be. So that every lead that you get, you make a higher return, right? We always want to continue to increase that customer lifetime value. It's extremely important if you want to scale your business. So that's the process that we take all of our clients through to get more leads, more customers, and more profits. I'm excited to be able to work with you and your business, and my entire team will really take your business to that next level. And it all starts with this discovery call. So let's set up a meeting together and let's talk about your business and let's pinpoint exactly how we can take that business to the next level.